Alright, so this is video for mission 2. The mission consisted on using set and a bash script to substitute data in a text file. So the text file here is the adventure of Sherlock Holmes. As you can see, it's the whole text. It's pretty big. It also consists of many stories. So what I did here, what we're going to do is substitute the name of the protagonist and antagonist, and also we're going to put a place, a date, and a time to meet someone, which is, you know, the point of the mission. So what I'm doing here is substituting the name Sherlock Holmes with Clershok Shalom, substituting London for the place Bahamas, Baker Street for the date, old time, Watson, and going to say 11 instead of putting the number. And also, since there are many stories, one name that I found a lot easier was Lestrade, and we're going to change it for Voldemort. So what I'm doing here is using set. I receive an input since this is the script, and from the input you change Sherlock in this case and put Clershok, and then I pipe it to the second, which changes Holmes to Shalom, and so on. So it finally ends up with Voldemort and produces the new text. So as we can see here, let's do this again. So right now I have one last run, so let's remove this new text. Let's execute it again, like this. Now we have the new text again, and when we open it with Vim, we can see that it now says Clershok Shalom. But if we look for maybe Bahamas, we can now find it in a lot of places. And if we look for 11, we can find it too. And also now we can look for the one who must not be named, Voldemort. And I guess that's all. It's just a simple bash script. I save this with a extension. I do a chmod to be able to execute it, and then I pipe the text file, which is this one, and then I get a new .txt file.